Hello everyone, my name is Osara Robinson, also known as Heartbreak Bobby, depending on where you know me from. But this is my YouTube channel, Lids and Kicks, and we're back with another video today. And today, I will be reviewing the Union LA Jordan 1 in the black toe colorway. Hold up, but before we get into that, let me give you guys some updates, some information. Basically, until the end of this year, I'm not gonna be prioritizing making YouTube videos as much. Right now, my main focus as far as video and video editing is making this demo reel by December. And basically what a demo reel is just basically like a visual resume for like potential employers and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna be trying to upgrade my equipment, get some new stuff. Yeah, so I just wanted to give you guys that information just to the people that watch the channel consistently or are interested in the videos going forward. My main focus is the demo reel, so there probably will be more videos before the end of the year. But I'm just letting you know that YouTube isn't the #1 priority right now, just because I feel like I've hit my goal and I gotta make this dope demo reel so I can get that bag, that consistent bag. Yeah, but anyways, let's get back to the sneaker review. All right, so like I said, today I have the Union LA Jordan 1's in the black toe colorway. And I just wanna thank all the supporters and everyone out there because I have officially sold out, so thank you to all the supporters that have gotten me here this far. The reason I say that is just because I was able to get these for free. So the backstory is about a month ago, I did a video about how to style Jordan 1's, and I just did some outfits for the black toe Jordan 1's from 2016. And in the video, I expressed that that the 2016 black toe Jordan 1's are a good substitute to the Union LA 1's. Because the Union 1's are obviously a lot more expensive. They go from $1,200 to $1,500 depending on sizing and condition. And I just expressed that the 2016 black toe 1 is a good substitute. And then apparently a website or a company saw it and they wanted to send me some black toe Jordan 1's. And shout out to sneakersupplier.net. These people sent them to me. And they gave me the opportunity to film this video. So thank you to the people at sneakersupplier.net. Go check out their website, etc. So when I initially unboxed these shoes for the first time, my first thought was, whoa, these are amazing. It came with the StockX card. And I also noticed the verification tag from StockX on the tag. I was like, whoa, these are sick. I didn't even think they'd actually send me a pair of shoes. And then, so I was assuming, oh man, these are authentic, these look great. So the only thing was, when I looked at the website, I saw the low price points of like $170 to $200. I was like, whoa, that sounds too good to be true. And then I saw that it came with like this Chinese tag or Chinese card or whatever in the box. So I'm not sure if these are 100% authentic, but all in all, it's a great option for people that can't or don't want to spend that $1,200 on these Union LA 1's. I have a friend named Jordan Chan that has a pair of these. He got these on, like when they came out last year in November, I think it was, for retail. He like entered the raffle and everything. He went down to LA and got them. So when I see him, and if he has his pair on him, I'm definitely gonna try and get a comparison video out just to see if there are any significant differences between these and his retail pair. And just to like further educate you guys, educate myself on these. And like I said, I got these for free. Thank you to sneakersupplier.net. This is probably a shoe I wouldn't have been able to get my hands on otherwise, just because of the high price point. Like I said, the different color laces, insoles have a lot of detail in them. I don't know if this is 100% what it's supposed to look like. Let me know in the comment section, please. The sole, toe box, everything looks dope in person. I'm not gonna lie, these look pretty milky, real good, real fly. And here's the Union hang tag. It came with those like yellowish laces, tangerine color laces. This is a really good material, so I don't know if these are authentic. I'm not sure how that would work. Like, does StockX have like a China office or something? That's what I was thinking, but I'm not sure. When if Nike or Air Jordan, they start sending me official shoes, I'll review all those too. Yeah, and hopefully sneakersupplier.net can continue to send me shoes in the future. I really like their stuff. Based off this right here, this is great. So Let's take a look at like some on feet shots just to see how these shoes look on feet out in the world, how they look on an outfit or whatever. So let's go. Let's look at those on feet shots.
Take me to euphoria, according to the story of a warrior. Picturing my visions, have you look inside my cornea. Sunny California, sleeping when the morning come. Movie theater in my crib, private auditorium. Take you on a tour with a Orium DeLoreans. Drive around the ground, we pour a 40 in. Champion of the tournament, the world's ornament. Falling to the earth just to show you that we porcelain. Coldest from Nova Scotia was local with no exposure. I told him the show was over, it's all on both of my shoulders. Take me to a place covered from head to toe in gold. From a space where skies are marmalade.
Yeah, you guys should definitely check out sneakersupplier.net. They sent me these great shoes for free. Hopefully they can continue to send me more shoes or whatever, and I'll be able to make more videos about it and stuff like that, and see if it's a good option for you personally. But if not, it's okay. And if you do end up making an order from them, hit me up and let me know how it goes. I want to make sure that they're treating all their customers good, not just me, and just to make sure that they're sending quality products to everyone that orders from them, because I don't want them to be like sending me the best stuff and then they're like scamming other people or anything like that. I don't want to be attached to that. So yeah, sneakersupplier.net. Thank you guys for sending the shoes. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure you like and subscribe. Heartbreak Bobby, Lids and Kicks, more videos on the way. Peace.